So Rob, with natural gas production now representing 40% of power generation in the United States, how are our customers responding to meet this demand?
Well, listen, we are within U.S. Steel extremely bullish on natural gas, and we've kind of crafted our strategy to do that, and developed really good relationships with some of the largest natural gas producers here in the country. You said it, 40% of all power generation here in the U.S. is natural gas. When people talk about clean energy, sometimes I say, we have clean energy. It's called natural gas, and it's abundant here in the United States. Two major areas for it, up in the Marcellus and up in the Northeast, and down in the Haynesville. I think the ability to, drill for this and produce natural gas in large quantities will help us support AI and the development of that. I think as we move forward, I think you'll see that accelerate. I mean, I've seen estimates where they need to put drilling and so forth right next to these AI centers in an effort to try to support the consumption of natural gas going forward. So I think you're going to see growth. I think it will support the development here in the United States. But I also think you're going to see export growth as well in natural gas. In the Haynesville, that area is set up where you're drilling for natural gas, but to get that to LNG facilities on the coast, I think is important. LNG, I think, will drive tremendous growth here in the United States domestically from a drilling perspective. But you look at countries overseas, over in Europe, you look at Japan, you even look at China. Hey, everybody needs LNG product, right? They're going to be importing that product, and we here in the United States have it. So I see ourselves growing with our customers. I see our customers focusing more in the Haynesville on LNG in an effort to try to ship that overseas. If you think about what the natural gas price here in the U.S., maybe it's around $4 an MMBTU. Go take a look at what natural gas prices in Europe and other parts of the world. It's closer to $10. So we have a tremendous advantage here with that. It's clean energy. I think we have the ability to grow that here. I think the infrastructure is coming in place. So I do think that industry is going to continue to grow. And I think it'll help overall globally with the clean energy, really not just here in the United States, but across the globe. The other piece I think is important on the natural gas side, up in the Northeast, it's one of the most proficient, if not the most proficient, natural gas field in the world, right? And one of the things that's constrained just on takeaway capacity. I know there's legislation, there's different things to add additional pipelines and so forth. We need to see that. As that opens up, I think it's going to allow greater production of the Marcellus and those regions, and also allow people within the United States to see lower natural gas prices in their energy bills every single month.